Hi, my name is Gabrielle, and I have experience with Seller Central Amazon since 2014. I'm a trainer, consultant, and mentor for Amazon sellers and those who want to become Amazon consultants. My Patreon is for beginners who don't know where to start, sellers who feel stuck or need to grow, and future Amazon consultants looking to build a meaningful career. Amazon is one of the biggest business opportunities of our time. Whether you're launching your own brand, selling other people's products, or guiding clients, it works when you know how. On my Patreon, you'll get step-by-step trainings, real strategies that work Q&A sessions, and mentoring support. Everything you need to move forward with no fluff, just results. Select the collection that matches where you are. Amazon Student Academy is the right choice for you if you're just starting out. Amazon Seller Academy is for experienced sellers who want to grow. Amazon Consultant Masterclass is a part of my Patreon, where I'm ready to help others become consultants. I'm excited to support you on your Amazon journey, wherever you're starting from. Let's build something real together.